Hi everyone, again in this video I'm gonna discuss two different data types. One is string data types, another one is Boolean data types, and both are very easy and simple to learn. So here we go with the string data types. So what is that? Well, it's the data types that can contain one or more characters represented by a single, double, or triple quotes. So it can be a word like Python, or can be a line like I love Python. If you assign a string data type to a variable, it can be called as a character variable. So let me try out that with some example here. So for example, let's say if I consider, or if I create a variable that contain character, and the variable name is, let's say, A, and the character is Python, okay? And if I hit the run button here, you can see I got Python. By the way, here in Python, I have used single inverted comma. You can use double or triple inverted comma as well. So for example, if I write with double inverted comma, and if I hit the run button again, I got the same result for the variable A. Now if I ask, what is the type of variable A? And if I hit the run button, you can see Python is telling me the variable or the data type is string, right? So again, let's say I am creating another variable B, which contain a line which says, hey, I love Python. And then if I hit the run button, I got the same result. Now let me ask again with the type built-in function, that what we did in the last video as well. And here I got the string. So that's a little bit about the string data types. Now guys, you can also do some kind of operations in a string, like calling a specific items or character from the words or lines. Okay, so let me show you how it's gonna work. Let's say we have the variable A, which we have created. So let me run that again for you. And the variable A, we have the word Python. Let's say I want to call the second or third element or character from the word Python. Okay, so that's really interesting because this is the first time we are talking about this, although in the next few videos I'm gonna walk you through again on this. So we called it like kind of indexing. So here when I'm saying that I want to have element number 2 from the variable A, guys, this is very interesting. Let me tell you that. So in Python, what happened, the counting starts from 0. This is pretty strange, but that's how it is, right? In real life, we start counting from 1, right? But in Python, it does from 0. So when I say that give me the second element, Python understood it as third element. Okay, so here the third element should be T, right? P is the first character, Y is the second character, T is the third character. So when I'm running this, I'm getting T as my result. Well, that's pretty strange, right? Now let me do it a little bit creative way, okay? Let's say I'm writing A, third bracket, starting value is 2, ending value is 5. Now it means Python is calling from word number 3 to word number 6, as it has started counting from 0. Okay, so here if I hit the run button, you can see I'm getting T, which is third element, H, which is H, which is fourth, and O, which is fifth. Okay, so there is a little bit confusion. The confusion is that the ending value, if the ending value is 5, the Python will consider it as 5. It will not count an extra digit for the ending value. Only for the starting value it will start counting from 0. Okay, so that's another creative things that you need to remember, and we'll discuss later on again. So here let me do it like this way. Let me create a character or a variable with 2 words. Okay, so let's say now I'm asking hello world is the new string data type. And from the B variable hello world, if I ask, hey, give me the character number 11. So for that I need to mention the 10 because it will add an extra digit for while counting. So here if I hit the run button again, now it give me V. Okay, is there any B here? Let me run that again. Yeah, it's actually D, not V, by the way. So here, remember, a space will also be considered as a word in the count. So H is the first, E is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and then a space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is D. That's why I got D in my answer. So that's a little bit ideas about, accessing some elements from a character. We'll go through that again later. Okay, now let's discuss Boolean data type, which in fact you have already learned. So Boolean data type is used to check whether an expression is true or false. So the character true and false is actually called as kind of Boolean data type. So here, let me create two variables where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. Now, if I ask, hey, is x greater than y? And if I hit the run button here, I'm getting false as my result. So this false expression is the Boolean data type. And again, if I ask, hey, is x less than y? It will tell me true. So true is another Boolean data type. So that's a little bit idea about string and Boolean data type. See you again in the next video with another data types. Thank you very much.